This is a big surprise here because in the end, only one charge will be brought against Ghailani, and that's not very much considering there were more than 200 of them, and they've all been dismissed except one. In the end, he is convicted for conspiracy to destroy American property, and we're talking, of course, about the actual buildings of the American embassies in Tanzania and Kenya, and that's a very, very light verdict considering that more than 200 people died in those attacks. What happened actually during the trial is that all the evidence that was obtained under torture when Ghailani was at Guantanamo, all the torture that was obtained by talking to witnesses who also had been tortured, all that evidence was discarded by the judge and could not be used during the trial. So in the end, there wasn't much there for the jury to actually sentence Ghailani, and that's why he's only convicted of one charge, that conspiracy to destroy American property.
Now, President Obama wanted the Guantanamo inmates to go through a civilian trial rather than a military one. Do you think he'll be satisfied by this?
Of course, this was a big test for Barack Obama. He wants civilian trials for the Guantanamo detainees because he thinks that they are more legitimate, of course, than the military courts that have been set up at Guantanamo. But for Obama to be able to say that this system will work, he needs to show that those people will not walk away free. Ghailani will spend some time in prison because he was sentenced, but he was barely sentenced. So there is the risk that maybe for other Guantanamo detainees, they'd be completely acquitted and they could walk away free, and that politically would be a huge problem for Barack Obama.